Alright, let's show you how to get into the smoke detector to change batteries. First thing you're going to want to do is twist this off of the back plate that's connected up to the ceiling. When you do that, you are going to get some beeping from the device. That's just fine. And then what we're going to do is remove the batteries from the detector. Once the batteries are out, you can place the new batteries in. Just pay attention to the labeling on the device that shows you which direction the batteries should go. You put in your new AAA batteries. Once the batteries are reinserted, go ahead and clip this back up to the back plate on the ceiling, and you should be able to twist this around gently until you feel it seat into position, and then keep turning it clockwise until it snaps into place. If you look along the edge, you should see a little ridge here that should line up. Once you've done that, you're good to go.